Money is pouring into Shiba Inu right now. We have an insane amount of money coming in. This is going to be a really quick video. I want to show you what's going on. As of recording this video, you can see that SHIB is up 10.4+%. Look, volume is up 91%. There is an insane amount of money, $443 million worth of volume and money flowing for Shiba Inu. So real quickly, look. Inflows have seen a jaw-dropping 2,200 spike. Now, this is really tracking large holder inflow. Large holder inflow has jumped 2,210%. What does this mean? Well, it means we've got a broad market rally going on. We've got retail investors and we've got effectively whales pouring money into SHIB. And again, why? We all know Shibarium launch imminent. We know that it's coming. They've ceased and stopped all of the volume, the volume that was running through the test version of Shibarium that's called PuppyNet. All that volume and transactional volume has stopped. What does that mean? It means they're ready. Okay, when you stop kind of doing that, it means you're ready to launch the mainnet launch version of that. So we've got retail money flowing in. We got whale money flowing in. It's happening across the board. Also want to show you, we are getting a little bit of a broad market lift. Crypto is moving up a little bit. We got 1.48%. I think a lot of this, honestly, in my opinion, a lot of this move up is directly correlated to Shiba Inu. Okay. If you look at kind of on the top 24-hour, Pepe's outpacing SHIB just a little bit, but SHIB's moved up. In fact, it's moved up a couple of points from when I started recording videos earlier. And so moving up really, really nicely. Okay. So again, money's flowing in. This is good stuff. I just wanted to let you guys know that really, really quick. Just a real quick video for you. So what does this mean for Shiba Inu coin holders? This is good news. It also means, again, we got retail money and we got kind of quasi-institutional whale money coming in as well. This is good. All right. Thanks. I'll see you.